Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. 10 more minutes. Thunderchief building action. Without the drama. You know it. You know where I am. I'm right here in the shop, man. Sanding my life away. I'm tired. You know what I want to know? Where's all your buddies when you got a bunch of sanding to do? Oh, they sure are scarce. I got my fuselage all primed. I got all the body work done, and it really looks good. Okay, and I just gotta sand that. I've got that wing sanded. I got my stab sanded. I have to do my canopy. Got my hatch ring up there, and all my little parts, gear doors, servo covers, all that fun stuff. But I'm almost there. We're getting closer. I was sitting there watching some fights, man. It's an older fight. It's on the one of the networks I just found. I think Sean Penn's supposed to fight that one guy on it. It's not a pay-per-view either. I think it's an older fight. It ain't Spike. I don't know. I'm just sitting there saying and watching the fight. This old boy cracked him in the eye a couple times with his elbow, and that thing had swollen up so bad. I can't believe they let him fight as long as they did. They finally stopped it. His head was just deformed. It was swollen so bad. It was unreal, all the way back to his ear. They finally stopped the fight. Man, I've never seen nothing like that. I'd like to see Boston Rob do that to Russell. Just take off the gloves, man, and just duke it out right there on the beach, MMA style. Wouldn't that be cool? Who do you think would win, Boston Rob or Russell? I think Russell's a lot of talk. He'll probably run for his mom. I think a Boston Rob put the work hurting on him, you know what I mean? And Boston Rob kind of, he's the quiet type, but just when you think you got him whooped, he'll put you into figure 4 and have you screaming, "Uncle, Uncle." Remember that? Remember when you guys' big brother used to hold you down and make you cry, "Uncle"? I remember them days. I had the little brother though. I didn't have no big brother. You know, where's all your buddies when you got sanding to do? They ain't nowhere around. They'll be out there on the test flight day, though. There wasn't their pictures taken with it. No. I did call old Mr. Baltham, though. Tried to get him over here. He said the price of gas was too expensive and he couldn't afford to drive home. and he couldn't afford to drive over here for just a little sanding. I said, a little sanding? We got like major sanding, man. Oh, he's hot on that cooler now. he's never going to live it up. See, he was kind of, old Balcom, let me tell you a story about old Mr. Balcom. He was hoping I was going to test fly this plane unpainted. Okay, this is why I'm painting this airplane. Because if I flew this plane without it being painted, he could pull out the ace card and say, well, here's airplane's painted. But I just got to prove to old Balcom that I'm not really prove to him, just giving him a hard time that I can scratch build an airplane before he can put a heart together and fly it. No, that ain't why I'm painting it. I'm painting it because y'all picked the paint job, and I don't want to take it apart after we fly it. Because I know it's going to fly good. And I ain't going to have the time. I want to hit the road. I want to build some kits, and I just ain't going to have time to. I want to make missiles and all the drop tanks. And I just got a lot of planes, and I know when I have to take this back apart and paint. That is why I'm painting. Let me tell you something. It is no easy defeat. It's paint an airplane in a few days. Well, it helped out a bunch having my pre-primed, you know, no pinholes to fill. But there was still filling to do, you know. But they're looking sweet. These things are ready to paint. Didn't sand away my panel lines. Didn't fill them in. They look good. Right. Wings are done. Now I just gotta break out all the small pieces. You know, I'm hitting them with 600. You know, they're already flat and pretty smooth. This time of year we don't have no bugs, so it's pretty much bug free. This is the best part of the year to paint. In the fall, you got like cottonwood from the cottonwood trees. You got bugs, man. Summer, you got bugs. This time of year, best time to paint. You gotta open your garage door and do it like I do it. Bam, okay, got all them done. Now, got all these parts to do. I'd like to, might be a bit more than I could chew. Oh, we're about out of time, but I'd like to get the white sprayed on the bottom and everything tonight before I go to bed. It's 9 o'clock now. If I can get this all sanded in a couple hours, the fuselage and all them parts, I think I will. Might just make another movie. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you back in the shop. Same Bob time, same Bob station. This episode of Bob TV was broadcasted in Philovision. This is a drama-free